Let us begin with the chapter the present tense. Now, present tense basically means whatever things which are happening in the present time. Okay, there are four forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and one is present perfect continuous. Okay, now you have to always remember these rules, because without these base form rules you will not be able to attempt the exercises. Now, simple present formation is subject, the base form of the verb. I play. In present continuous, subject plus is am plus ing form of the verb. Is am according to the subject, that is singular or plural. I am playing. In present perfect, subject plus has have plus past participle form of the verb. Past participle form is the third form of the verb. Subject singular or plural, accordingly we will use has or have. I have played. The simple present tense in English has a set of unique functions. Talking of things that happen usually, those things which happen usually, for example, it's a habit. Maybe we go to school 5 days a week. I drink 2 glasses of milk every day. These things happen usually. They think these things happen every day, so we use present tense, simple present tense. Expressing general truths. Amar, Akbar, Anthony are best friends. This is a general truth. There is no change in it, so we are using simple present. Singapore has an organized traffic system. This is a general truth. It will not change, so we use simple present tense. Expressing scientific and geographic facts. The sun rises in the east. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through India. Facts, we will use first form of the verb according to the subject. Exclaiming with here and there. There goes the train, here comes our favorite person. Expressing a planned or fixed future event. The concert begins at 10 a.m. She leaves for Mumbai the next week. Showing natural qualities or processes of professional activities. Tigers are natural predators. A milkman delivers eggs. Sadhana is a teacher. All these rules you have to keep in mind. You have to learn it and then you have to attempt it. Also, I will be giving a list of verbs so you can know the first form, second form and third form. Make sure you are going through that. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to get to know about the first, second or third form of the verbs. The present continuous tense. It also serves multiple functions. For example, talking of actions that are going on at the time of speaking. For example, right now I am making a video. This action is happening at the time of speaking. We use present continuous tense. Look, it is raining outside. Dhruv is leaving for his class. Talking of actions that are going on nowadays but not necessarily at the time of speaking. Shreya is learning to play guitar these days. That means she is acquiring this new skill. But at the time of speaking, this thing is not happening. But we know that she is learning. She is learning a new skill. Currently, I am reading the book that you gave me. Talking of events that will happen definitely in the near future. We are arriving tomorrow morning. The teacher is giving us a dictation coming Monday. Mia eats fruits every day. Mia is eating fruits these days. There is a difference between this is a habit and this shows that this action happens regularly. Okay. Now the first sentence shows an action that is done regularly, hence simple present tense is used. The second sentence cannot confirm that action will be continuing for a long time. It's happening of late these days but not necessarily right now, so we use present continuous tense. These things have to be learned. We usually use words regularly, always, every day to indicate simple present tense. We use words now, nowadays, presently, currently, at the moment to indicate present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Talking of actions that completed in the immediate past using just. This is a clue to understand that this tense will be used. I have just finished my homework. Talking of past actions, the time of which is neither given nor definite. Those actions which were done in the past but the time we don't know. Sushma has visited Bangkok many times but we don't know the exact time or exact month which was being visited. Talking of events that started in the past and are continuing in the present moment using since or for. Anna has participated in this contest for years. I have not seen her since last month. All these rules have to be learnt by heart, otherwise it's very difficult for you to understand the tenses. It's my request, please learn these rules and then only attempt the exercise.